put it on the chat and look at what I am doing. Just give me 5 minutes to show you how does a GitHub look. And let me just confirm on the chat if you can see my GitHub that is there or not. So GitHub, this is GitHub. You have to sign into GitHub. If you have not signed into GitHub, I will just show you the process. Sign out. So if you are new to GitHub, it will look something like this. Let me open from my another account. So it will look something like this, GitHub. So this will look like this. So you can do sign in. If you don't have a GitHub, just do sign up. Put your basic details that is here. So you put your basic details that is here, your email, your password, your username. Select a professional username. If your name is available like Muhammad Arshad or something that is related to you, because this is something that you are going to share. So this is very, very important, having a professional, like suppose I want to do for Shivraj. So Shivraj will do something like this. Shivraj, I'm not sure whether his name is available or not, but Shivraj Karevar. So Shivraj is a very common name. So I don't know, Shivraj, you can use this name if you have a GitHub, or if you don't have a GitHub. So this is what you can use. So something like this. So this is going to be his username. So his ID is going to be github.com/Shivraj Karevar. Like the way for me it is, when I created, I did not have so much guidance. So I just created something like GitHub /Arshad83. So because my number was not available, my date of year was not available. So I selected Arshad831, and the GitHub profile will be something like this. Like if you share GitHub/Arshad831, can you see? This is going to be your profile. So select some good name. This is my username. I cannot change my username because I selected this 15 years back. Okay. And this is something that I created, and I created it 10 years back, and I don't have so much guidance, but select some name that you can share with people. Then what you need to do is now, if you are new here, then just fill everything, do continue. And this is just like a normal sign up. Just make sure that your username is professional, that you can share with others. So this is the first step that you need to do. And after that, let me sign in from my this platform. So I go to github.com and let me sign. So I sign in, and then you will get something like this. So this is my dashboard. So the first thing that you need to do, like if you go to my dashboard, if you go to my home, these are some of the people, some are activities, there's some feeds that are happening that you can see. But the first thing that you need to do is you need to, this is your dashboard, your public view is, these are your repositories. So once you log in, this is going to be your view. There is an option of Ask Copilot and everything. You need to first look at your repository. So I have an organization, Decoding Data Science, but every one of us has a personal profile. So you click this. First thing that you need to do is go to your profile, right click, click your profile and edit your profile. So whatever it is, just put your name, put your photo, put your company. So I can, let me also do it next to you guys. So I have not yet completed this. And location, Dubai. Website, you can put your website, whatever it is. So try to make it as professional as possible. Like you have LinkedIn profile, just make a update your specific details that is here. So Decoding Data Science, you can add your social accounts and everything. If I'm active mostly on LinkedIn, so you can see my LinkedIn is showing here, my company, my name, and my website is showing here. So this is, and your name is showing here. Now most of us will not see this document. At anyone, Shivraj, are you comfortable sharing your how does your GitHub look right now? If you're comfortable to share your screen, I'll just walk it through by taking an example. Or any volunteer profile. Can you go to open your profile? So in her dashboard, can you open your profile? Click your photo and open your profile on the right side. On the right, yeah. Open this, your profile. So this is what Misty is looking. So Misty has to, whatever I told her, GitHub profile. So she already has a README file ready here, and this is what I wanted to show you. But I request Misty and everyone in the call, treat GitHub as your professional profile. So I request you, if you're not comfortable sharing your professional photo, you should do that, because if you are looking out to show your case and you're on social media, a professional photo is something that you should put on your GitHub, because these photos really turn as not professional. So please, this is one thing that I will request you: edit profile and do all the things that I did. And you already have the README file, that is already you. Someone has guided you to create a good README file, so that is very good. But my only request is, yeah, if possible you can do it, because right now the purpose, if this is my advice, you may listen or not, that is up to you, but at least update your profile, put your professional photo, treat LinkedIn, treat GitHub as your professional profile. That suppose I want to recruit you, and if I see this profile, I see you only have one follower, you don't have anyone you're following, so you don't have an active LinkedIn profile even though you have a README file. Now I will request Jinesh if to for you to share your screen. uh, Thanks, Misty. Maybe next time join with your mics open so I can hear you. Sh Shivraj, we cannot hear you. Okay, anyway, Shivraj, can you go to my profile? Click this. So right now you have to, I recommend you to create a new name. I recommend you to create a fresh profile, because can you see your name SK77? It's looking very random. So you have, I think it was being generated by some thing that is there. So can you click, okay, can you go and click your that three dots on the right? This the three dots. Yeah. Yeah, click my profile, your profile. Yeah, click your profile. Yes. So now you see, guys. Now this is for so for Shivraj, I request him to create a new account, because this name is not professional, and he cannot change it. So this is a good learning for all of you. So you cannot share to your clients this link that I'm showing, SK123. So the way I showed you, open github.com, sign out from here later on, and create a name like Shivraj slash Karevar, and whatever it is, and then you can come here. And the second thing is, no, you can see, like we had Jinesh, Misty, they did not have a README file here. How to get a README file? So for all the challenge participants that are there, if you're sharing your profile and you're sharing your thing, you need to think about how to get a good README file. Because if you share this profile on the repository, this is I don't think you have any repository, Shivraj, and I'm not sure, I'm not able to hear you. But go back to your this thing. Let me clear the drawing. Go back to your repository. Go back to your repository. Yeah, repository. Then okay, copy this name SK123, just for example. I think this is a random one that you created, SK123456. Yeah, copy this, click new. I'm giving an example. So whatever name you have, copy that name, go to new, click new. There is an option of new. Go back to repository, click new. And everyone, please, this is very important. Put the repository name, the same, paste the same repository name. Yes. So now can you read, everyone? Can you read this? What is this? This is a special repository that you can use to add a README to your GitHub profile. So now you, what you do is go down, click add a README file. No. This is very important. This is, yeah, add a README file, and now do create repository. Create a repository. So this is for everyone who's doing a project. This is mandatory, who is a part of the challenge. This is a mandatory step to do. Now you can see, hi there. Can you just go to edit, please? Click edit. So now this is somewhere, like you saw Misty, you saw Jinesh, they have done this. Can you just remove this part, this hash line number 3 and line number 16, please? Yeah, line number 16 also, the end quote. Yes. Now just save it, commit it. When I say commit, just think about it, saving it, nothing else. Yeah, commit. Now, yeah. Now can you go to your profile? The three dots. Now, if someone opens your profile, uh, yeah, but my recommendation is you can use this for now. There is no harm. But if you are looking for a job later on, you need to edit your profile and make a better name. This is fine for now for the challenge, but you want to do that. Some people are asking, is it a must with even low code? It is not mandatory, Ahmad. Whatever I am telling you is optional. But in seventh chapter, in seventh checkpoint, the day before the checkpoint, I request everyone to do this. So now for Ahmad, who is asking on the chat, is it mandatory for no code, low code? Yes, it is mandatory. Prepare yourself. That is the reason why I am doing this today on the call and showing everyone. Please, it will not take much time, Ahmad. It is going to help you in the future as well. So now go to repository again. Can you please go to repository? So this is done. You need to edit your profile. You can do again. Now can you do new? Can you do new, Shivraj? Yeah. So what is your name of a project? It is something to do with news, right? Just put the name, whatever is your name. So Ahmad, if whatever is your project name, just put it here like this, newsbot. Then do a readme file, add a readme file, okay? Create a repository. Okay. Then, okay. So now what you need to do in front of you, you have submitted a document yesterday, right, Shivraj? Can you save that into PDF and upload it here? This is what, Ahmad, I want all of you to do, nothing more. You have already created a document, right? And you have uploaded the document, but you need to make sure it is a .pdf. So if it is not PDF, you need to do that conversion here. And this is so simple, right? So now his idea is here. Now you can just let it load. Everyone who's listening to this call, this is going to be recorded and put. This is mandatory. You can do it now, or you have to do in day 7, up to you. But this will just take. Okay. So now wait, this is done. So your submission is here. Now can you go to edit? You can also copy paste in very brief and readme. So when a person opens your profile, he will see this readme. So I will be sharing you a couple of examples in the chat. So here you can write in little bit details about what is your project idea. So can you open your PDF and just copy the main idea, the one that you put the title and the idea, and put it here. If you can just open your document and just take the most important things that are there and put it on this document and just save it. So now this is something that Shivraj is going to submit on day 3, that is tomorrow, when I'm asking, and also the next steps. So what are the next steps that you are going to do? Maybe you create a PDF, or you want to put it on the same document, or you want to create a different document. You can just create that document of next steps or demo, whatever it is. Or if you have a Python file, you need to put that that is there by tomorrow submission. Or if you have something like Mr. Ahmad, who is a no code, take a screenshot of the application, convert it into an image, and then upload it there. So this is like a folder. So now coming to, you just commit changes. Just do commit changes. Any questions? Yeah, I will take your question, Misty. Just give me 1 minute. So now this is done. So now this is what he is going to submit. And now can you go to Newsbot? Click Newsbot. So this is like, just to tell in simple English to Ahmad, to Misty, to all the new people here. This is your project folder that is public to everyone.